Today, I want to share something that could transform the way you see yourself and the world around you. You see, the limits you think exist are only constructs of your own mind. They're not real, they're only as real as you allow them to be. It's easy to feel trapped by circumstances or by the idea that something is beyond your reach. But I'm here to tell you, right now, that you can break free from all of those limits. All you need is the right mindset, and it starts with understanding that you are not bound by what you see or feel. You've heard people say that life is a reflection of your thoughts, right? It sounds simple, maybe even cliché, but here's the powerful truth: the world outside is simply a mirror of your inner beliefs. The limitations you believe you have are not external, they are formed inside of you. The moment you change what you believe about yourself, the world begins to shift. This is how it works. Think about it for a moment. If you've ever felt trapped by a job, a relationship, or a lack of resources, it's because you've placed yourself in a box of your own making. It's not the job, the person, or the circumstance that holds you back, it's the belief that these things have power over you. The good news? You have the ability to change those beliefs. Start by recognizing that the only limits you have are the ones you've agreed to accept. When you realize that you're the creator of your own reality, everything starts to shift. You begin to realize that you are not a victim of life, but the author of your story. It's a powerful shift in thinking, one that frees you from the idea that life happens to you. Instead, you see that life happens because of you. Take a moment to reflect on your current beliefs. Are you constantly thinking that things are too hard? Or that you're not capable of achieving your dreams? If you are, those thoughts are keeping you stuck in a loop. You'll continue to attract experiences that validate these beliefs because your subconscious mind believes them to be true. The key to breaking free from these limits is to change the narrative. You have the power to rewrite your story. You can begin to tell yourself that you are capable, deserving, and worthy of success, love, and abundance. The moment you begin to believe this, your reality starts to change. This isn't about positive thinking for the sake of feeling good, it's about tapping into a deep understanding that your beliefs shape your experience. Now, you might be wondering, how do I begin to change these beliefs? The first step is simple: awareness. Become aware of the thoughts that run through your mind. Are they empowering or limiting? The more aware you are of your thoughts, the more control you have over them. Instead of letting your mind wander aimlessly into negativity or self-doubt, you take charge and direct it toward thoughts that support your goals. Next, you must practice visualization. This is one of the most powerful tools you have at your disposal. Picture yourself living the life you want, feel the emotions of that success, the excitement, the gratitude, the freedom. The mind doesn't distinguish between what's real and what's imagined, so when you immerse yourself in these vivid visualizations, you begin to imprint those images and feelings onto your subconscious mind. You see, the subconscious doesn't operate by logic or reason, it operates on emotion. This is why visualization is so effective. When you visualize feelings, your subconscious mind begins to accept these images as your new reality. And as your subconscious mind begins to accept them, your external world starts to reflect those changes. One of the most powerful aspects of this process is the practice of feeling the end result of your desires, not just visualizing them. If you desire a new job, don't just visualize the job, you must feel the excitement of getting that call, the joy of stepping into your new role. If you want a loving relationship, feel the love and appreciation as if you are already in that relationship. The key here is to feel as if you are already living your desired reality. At this point, some people may say, "That sounds nice, but what about the obstacles I face? How do I overcome those?" Here's the truth: obstacles are just challenges that give you an opportunity to grow. When you encounter a setback, don't see it as a roadblock. See it as a sign that your mind is still aligning with your desires. Challenges are not there to stop you, they're there to refine you. Every challenge you face is an opportunity to prove to yourself that you are capable of overcoming it. You must be willing to persist. Persistence is what separates those who achieve their goals from those who give up too soon. Don't expect things to happen overnight, and don't be discouraged if things don't change immediately. The key is to keep aligning with your vision, even when it feels like nothing is happening. Trust that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring your desires to fruition. The next step is to practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful force because it shifts your focus from what you lack to what you already have. It also shifts your vibration to a higher frequency. When you're grateful for what you have, no matter how small, you send a message to the universe that you are ready for more. It's like saying, "Thank you for what I have, and I'm open to receiving even more." Start by keeping a gratitude journal. Write down 3 things you're grateful for every day. They don't have to be big things. Sometimes, the smallest moments can carry the most meaning. As you practice gratitude, you'll begin to notice more and more things to be grateful for, and this shift in focus will begin to bring more abundance into your life. Another important aspect of breaking free from your limits is letting go of fear. Fear is one of the biggest obstacles we face, but it's also one of the easiest to overcome once you understand its true nature. Fear is simply a thought. It's a thought that says, "I can't do this," or "What if I fail?" But fear is just a reflection of the unknown. When you step into the unknown with faith and confidence, fear has no power over you. The key is to take action, even if it's small. Don't wait until you feel ready. You'll never feel ready. The truth is, action breeds confidence. The more action you take, the more confident you become, and the more your reality shifts. So take the first step, even if it's just a small one, and trust that the next step will follow. Now, let's talk about the power of belief. Your belief system is the foundation of everything in your life. If you believe that success is possible for you, you'll find ways to make it happen. If you believe that you're unworthy or incapable, that belief will also manifest in your life. The key to breaking free from your limits is to change your belief system. Start by affirming new beliefs. Write down the beliefs that you want to embody and repeat them daily. For example, "I am worthy of success," "I am capable of achieving my dreams," or "Abundance flows to me easily." As you repeat these affirmations, you begin to reprogram your subconscious mind, and over time, these new beliefs become your reality. Another powerful tool for breaking free from your limits is the practice of letting go of the past. We all have past experiences that shape the way we see ourselves and the world. But if you continue to hold on to those old beliefs, you'll stay stuck in the past. The key is to forgive yourself and others, release any resentment, and step into the present moment with a clean slate. The past does not define you, and it does not dictate your future. The only thing that matters is right now. What you do in this moment will determine the future you create. Let go of anything that no longer serves you, and step into the present with the confidence that you have the power to create a new reality. In conclusion, breaking free from your limits starts with the realization that you are not bound by your circumstances. Your mind is powerful enough to create the reality you desire. By changing your beliefs, visualizing your goals, taking action, and practicing gratitude, you can create a life that is limitless. It's time to stop thinking small and start thinking big. You are capable of more than you can imagine. The moment you break free from the limitations you've placed on yourself is the moment your life begins to unfold in ways you never thought possible. So, let go of the fear, let go of the doubts, and trust in your ability to create the life you desire. The world is waiting for you to step into your power.